Does he not look like Arjun Tendulkar? What if we both lube up? This is a horrible episode. It's going to be really bad.
My wife is Shah Rukh.
Blood creeping up from the
Delusional की हद होती है यार.
got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit so sharp so
This is more of a date place than that.
whole frostbite they feeling I could tear you apart or I could go heal them don't believe
15 ml तो बच्चे को पिला देते हैं यार दवाई के तौर पे.
हाँ. तू किस बच्चे को पिला रहा है?
Pranay, brother, how was the night? Today we're in Worli, where like you saw the buildings are tall, the cars are fancy, and the cocktails are gonna be expensive. But tonight we dine like kings, man. We are at the Four Seasons Hotel in Worli, which has one of the best rooftop bars in all of Bombay and also maybe the country, called Air. So a friend of mine is obviously going to be joining me today. थोड़ा late है वो. We were supposed to catch the sunset, which hopefully we will. उसका 4 महीने का बच्चा है, so you know I can't really force him to be late. But yeah, let's go catch that sunset at Air. आप देख सकते हो कि हमारी थोड़ी औकात बढ़ गई है. You know, we went from yacht and Janta to Four Seasons and the rooftop bar. All thanks to you guys. So keep watching. It's a Friday evening today, so the place is going to be packed, which is amazing because we love a packed bar, right? If you're looking to go out and party in Worli, this is the place to start off with. This is Air.
Sunset didn't wait for me, yaar.
In case you all don't know, I did give a little introduction about him, but Pranay is one of the most phenomenal actors out
One
there.
of the best.
One of the best.
It comes from so low that it just comes from.
Yeah, it's just very visceral.
It's just like I don't know if I'm worth this place. I feel like हम कहीं और हम नीचे चले जाते हैं. Disurano Almond.
So let's do a flagship.
Okay, let's
And
go.
let's do a Azure Dawn.
When you cross the other side of 30, you have to know that water is your best friend when you're going out drinking. If you want. Like we've already given this it's already got 2 marks
Yeah,
because of
yeah.
the presentation and all that.
Yeah. We need some arm strength, brother. Hey!
You know what I say about my arm strength and
Cheers, brother.
cheers, brother.
Cheers, folks. This is a spirit-forward pina colada.
This is very, very fruity.
Yeah?
I mean, it's very heavy on the coconut. I can't taste the liquor at all,
Okay.
which is good for some people. I wanted to dilute a little though.
This is a little spirit-forward, which is usually not the case with pina coladas.
Oh,
Right?
this is
Good.
good.
Good one, right?
Oh, this is really good.
Like, this is a great date spot, firstly, I think, right? If
yeah.
you've got money,
Yeah.
please take me out on a date here.
They were for her. They were for her. Give it back.
She's gone. My school friends are going to be having 3 larger than our. My college friends like Manik and all are lame.
Manik is cool.
Yeah.
Manik is
Shantanu used to be cool, but like, he's also lame now.
also one of the stupidest now.
Yeah.
Today, how many are you gonna have?
We shall find out.
Let's drink then, dude.
I can drink for a good 6 hours. After that, I'm like so nice.
I could do that back in like 3 months ago. One starry night, one torrential fury. Huh?
Torrential jungle.
Torrential jungle and something fury.
Lightning fury.
Lightning fury. So which one is the?
It's a whiskey based Starry Night, and this is a Torrential Jungle. It's a mescal.
And you use buffalo trace in this.
Yeah, we do a buffalo trace, and for this one we use a front line of mescal.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers, man.
Okay. What is that? What is that? Yeah, mezcal. This is also nice. There is some sort of a savory flavor at the end, the aftertaste, or like a cold cut.
Like it's smoked
Smoked
ham or
ham,
smoked
smoked
chicken
cheese,
and stuff like that.
yeah.
You're getting that flavor.
But I'm really liking the
It's
smoke
nice.
aspect of it. Yeah. Oh, wow, best. I feel
Best,
like, yeah,
best yet?
Yeah.
It's exactly a hot toddy for me. I don't know what the difference is. Does he not look like Arjun Tendulkar?
Oh, he does look like Arjun Tendulkar, man. You know
Preparing
that
for the IPL right now. What are you doing? What is the ideal distance you like to maintain?
depends on who it is.
This I'm not enjoying at all. I'll do this.
You do that, yeah.
That's fine.
ये बाल बहुत उड़ रहे हैं यार. Everyone in
But
my
पूरे
family.
लंबे करना फिर.
That's not my vibe. My vibe is Shah Rukh, bro.
Delusional की हद होती है यार.
We're now gonna head to the other side of Air, which is gonna cross over to the other side, which is the Gimlet Garden, which is less party and more garden.
See you, Arjun. Oh, that's what this is. This is more of a date place than that.
yeah.
I would hire only wheelchair-bound bartenders and then have like a bar that's.
अरे इसकी माँ की
जब तू ये चीजें करता है ना,
अबे बहन, अरे बहन कोई रेंज रोवर वाला लुक 6 on 10 भाई तो बहन भाई, अरे बहन that's just because I'm tall. That's
I did not do that. Then you realize that this guy is not suave and he's not got the Shah Rukh in him.
bro.
Maybe a Shahid Kapoor, but
अबे बोले
he's a very short person. They've hired very short people. Manik, you're looking for a job. This is it for you, brother.
you're saying कि भाई मैं एक नई स्किल डेवलप करना चाह रहा हूँ 15 ml तो बच्चे को पिला देते हैं यार दवाई के तौर पे.
हाँ हाँ. तू किस बच्चे को पिला रहा है?
Should we head to the bar and get a drink there? We are not.
Oh shit! ये तो मैंने सोचा ही नहीं था.
कि उनका डेप्थ ज्यादा है. That's why
अच्छा,
they're-
उनका नीचे है, हमारा ऊपर है.
है.
मैंने सोचा उनको सिर्फ बोनो को हायर किया है. Or there's a guy who's just working like this. You know? So you're saying I can't go to a regular wine shop and buy this?
If you see the bottle,
The three-eyed tiger.
and it takes you from the Gimlet
That's a sea
Garden
tiger.
on this side all the way to the yacht club which we were at
Oh,
earlier.
lovely. Oh, it's not
This
open.
is a sealed
Yeah,
bottle,
okay.
but we'll get you
No. So that's a big commercial film. This is the indie movie.
This is we're perfectly fit here.
Yeah.
We'll get a gimlet. We'll get the Negroni, and we'll get one from here. You're saying?
Yes, you
Sure.
must.
This is very good.
Yeah, I love the
This is
the
very
salt.
good.
I love the salt like
There's
this.
kokum, which is very
I can taste the kokum. It's like Bombay heavy.
Bombay,
It's-
Maharashtra heavy because
Yeah,
the
it's very
kokum is
cool.
all
spirit
here.
of the city by the sea.
See, yeah.
There you go. This is excellent, by the way.
What is this?
Deviled chicken.
Damn, brother, let's go.
Fuck, this is very good.
How are you liking this dining table level?
I'm
of
actually
ours?
really liking
I
it.
love this, bro.
I'm just a knockout player.
Okay,
You're-
fair enough.
You're a.
You wanna get it? Oh, you're lefty, na?
Yeah, I'm lefty. Let's do right.
But my right is weak.
Abhe yaar, this is not the ideal angle. 1 ml of your 818 Reposado.
भाई वो तो फिर हाथ में ही मिलेगा ना.
हाथ में चाहिए. It's like syrup. Like vanilla syrup has been added to this.
That's the Babuna Bliss.
Yeah.
This is the Sesame Serenade. And this is the Air Gimlet. Cheers. Oh, wow.
Ooh.
Very, very good. Yeah.
Oh, that's really good. Oh, dude.
yeah?
I would come back here just for this.
Party time.
I'm sleepy now.
Bro, don't do that shit.
What you don't realize is घर जाके मुझे मैं सोऊंगा नहीं.
फिर हिलाएगा.
I have to take. I had a baby 6 months ago. Now I have to do this. ऐसे हिलाता हूँ. Maximum 16 more drinks. That's it.
Yeah, done.
चल dude. एक मूंग दाल हलवा तो खाते हैं. ये फट्टू लोग ना जो होते हैं. First you entice me.
फट्टू मैं अभी गुलाब जामुन ला के मुंह में डाल के आ जाऊंगा.
जाके मेरे लिए भी लाए.
भाई लगा नहीं है वरना मैं ले गया.
इधर आ. Okay, I will go.
अरे लेकिन मीठा नहीं लगा है ना. ले
Where's your dessert? What is this? Yeah, I'm just going to take 2 of these. Yeah. Thank you, brother.
Please.
It's too hot.
Brother, I will have to give it to you.
It's too hot.
This is the most daring thing you have ever done in your life.
Literally the easiest thing to do. Problem is, it's not that good. Definitely a good date place.
Yeah.
Fantastic cocktails.
Yeah.
I like the basic generic cocktails.
So the air gin on its own was very, very nice.
No, the babuli, what is it called? Yaar? Babula. Babulu. Babala. Babulu.
This is not helping.
Babumble.
समझ गए ना?
You write it here. You
I
write
put
it
right
here.
here. Yeah.
Babuli.
Yeah. This is
That was good.
They know.
And the first drink, flagship.
Yeah.
Excellent.
yeah. The flagship was very good.
These 2 things I was at.
You know what's interesting is that I never thought that people would be doing like takes on the pina colada in the last 2 like episodes with you and Manik. I've had these,
Yeah.
and they've both been mind blowing. And I never liked pina
Pina
colada.
colada is a great drink, yeah.
Got a taste for blood and my tongue keeps bleeding from the words I spit. So
This
sharp, so
It's
freezing.
Blink and Bardo. So yeah, this is the place. It looks gorgeous.
This is epic.
We had 8
We
cocktails.
had
yeah.
8 each.
No.
This is ridiculous. But ठीक है, we're banking on you to give us 8 more. So let's.
Kneeling, got lust for change.
8 at once. 8 all in one glass, huh? You're a real performer, man. Good stuff, dude. Good
Like,
stuff.
you've
I
spent
like
all
it.
this.
Let's
okay,
shoot.
Let's shoot it.
Let's shoot.
Live life for the
Cheers.
fight, yeah, I'm here to
Dude, that's delicious, man. Oh, very good drink. This
Very
is
good, yeah.
sake and vodka, you said.
Vodka.
Generally, I think aesthetic-wise,
Yeah.
Slink has really got it down.
You feel like drinking more.
Yeah. Should I pour you another one?
Yes.
Give it a nice
What do you call it? A crayante. Crayan. Can I get a taste of just like 5 ml of that? Because then I'll be able to tell what the ingredients are, and then I'll be able to give your secret away to the audience.
भाई इसके शरीर में 10 drinks जा चुकी है. You can't tell jack shit at this.
Oh, I know what's in this. Melons.
Japanese ones.
I feel like it's honeydew melons.
वो क्या होता है?
भाई. Oh यार.
ओ भाई बता दे यार.
जिस बंदे को honeydew melon के बारे में पता नहीं है ना, मैं क्या ही बोलूं उसके बारे में. वो क्या मतलब honeydew melon is basically खरबूजा.
Oh, cantaloupe.
Cantaloupe.
It's very balanced like throughout.
You know the thing about shaking a Boston shaker, you can't not smile while you're doing the shake.
Otherwise, you look constipated almost.
You're like, cheers. This is what tahini? It's got tahini on it or what?
And salt.
And salt.
Very different, yeah.
Okay. Fantastic.
Masaledar.
What's in this?
That's whiskey. Like after looking into this, do you remember something like especially 2-3 years back?
Dalgona coffee.
You got it right.
This is the take on the espresso martini. This is the best.
It smells a bit like an Indian mithai. Oh.
This is Okay, so out of these three till now, what would be your rankings? उसको हटा देते हैं क्योंकि वो तो अलग लीग में अपने काम
वो
कर
तो
रहे हैं.
excellent था.
वो तो अलग लीग में.
I would put that in number 1.
Yeah.
The Koliwada. The fact that we have to share it.
Yeah.
The fact that it's got so much history and culture
Yeah.
rooted into it. That's number 1. Then I would give this number 2.
Yeah.
Number 3, number 4.
Same. I actually wanted a date for this episode, but it turns out I
He
couldn't
could only
get
get me. He gifted me oil, dude, and I didn't understand he oil क्यों दे रहा है मुझे. But then now I understand.
Yeah.
So anyway, I've lubed up and stuff. So.
I'm the giver.
What if we both lube up and just? This is a horrible episode. It's going to be really bad.
Aeropress Negroni and your classic old fashioned.
Thank you so much.
All
What
right.
whiskey have you used?
I've used Jim Beam plus rye whiskey.
Oh wow. Okay, perfect.
Cheers, brother.
Cheers.
Yes. This is fucking.
Suggestion to squeeze that orange.
Okay. Okay.
Dip it in.
Dip it in. Oh, it's much. Yeah. What is this?
That's charred orange.
Okay.
Orange.
Yeah.
Bro, it's really like cut out the bitter of the. I mean, although I enjoy the bitter, but this has really made a.
There you go.
Oh, thank you so much.
Nothing beats an old fashioned, dude.
This is the area that turns into a bit of a dance party sort of a situation. You can see the DJ setting up. This turns into a fucking vibe at night.
Oh, there's another bar here.
There's another bar. One last drink.
One last drink for me is like suicide mission, dude.
Yeah, so we'll do that, man. I love that there is always a black and white French film playing here.
I'm appreciating the fact that people are trying different things at bars, and the people are trying different things with their food, with their drinks, with the ambience.
So, आप देख रहे हो, now you can see the places start buzzing, right? Now this will turn into a full-on great party spot. If you've got the money for it, hit up Four Seasons and then come here, or just come here later at night if you want. So thank you so much, buddy. Thank you so
Dude, you
much.
killed it. Thank you so much.
I had a great experience.
That Koliwada, that was the number 1. But we have got out of the bar at the right time because there's a lot of plastic surgery that's just walking.
That did a lot of plastic did just walk in. Pranay, brother, how was the night?
Dude, excellent.
Yeah?
90% of the cocktails were smashing. I would say the food was fucking insane.
Okay.
Except barring one thing,
Okay, sure. Which
Yeah.
is, who cares? Yeah.
which I don't even know.
Yeah.
I just said one thing because I don't want
Yeah,
to.
sure,
I
yeah.
don't want to be like
Sab
one of
kuch
those
acha
guys,
tha.
"Sab kuch acha tha, sab kuch acha." I want to
Okay.
be a little discerning.
Yeah.
मुझे तो बहुत मजे आया यार.
हाँ.
Especially because Unsobered was paying for it. And if you want to call me every week, कर लो.
कर लेंगे भाई.
You want to give me your job?
No.
Hello.
No.
You want to give me Shivam's job?
No.
Please. The view at Air was insane.
Yeah.
The cocktails were also fantastic. Food was good. Over here at Slink and Bardo, cocktails great.
Yeah.
I would say one notch below Air, in fact.
Sure.
But the food was f***ing through the roof.
Done. What was your favorite cocktail at Air if you had to recommend one?
Babuli Bushi. Oh, Babula Bubu.
We'll put the text here.
Here, it's here.
It's here.
Babula Bushi. This was the cocktail. It had Buffalo Trace whiskey in it. It had the right amount of chamomile tea.
Yeah.
It was excellent.
I love the mezcal cocktail. I don't know what it's called. Some thunder. Again, it'll be here. The name, because we're a little drunk to remember names right
Oh,
now.
this one.
Yeah, this one, right?
This
yeah.
one. An initial amuse-bouche cocktail.
That was a fucking
was fantastic.
boom, man.
Which was
So good.
A Koliwada cocktail,
Yeah.
which was lychee based, and
Yeah.
they say that because Koliwada people share their alcohol,
I love
share
that,
their
I love
food,
that.
this was a sharing cocktail.
Yeah. I really enjoyed the coffee Negroni, the AeroPress Negroni, which could also be because I love coffee in general.
Yeah.
I'm an AeroPress guy. But it was just a bang in that fucking squeeze of the burnt
Lemon.
orange.
No, the orange. Huh?
Really like made it, brought it all together. It just cut out the bitterness.
These guys made an old fashioned for me, which had half bourbon and half rye whiskey, and it was really good. You come to Stinkin' Bardo and you know where you are.
Sure.
At Air, you could be in you could be in India, you could be in Dubai, you could be in Thailand, you
Yeah.
could be wherever.
And just so you know, both of these bars are ranked amongst some of the best bars in the country. So regardless of what we may have not liked, which is very little anyway, you should definitely visit these places in one night if you want, like we did, so you get slammed like us. But these are just great places to visit. Until then, like, share, subscribe, and stay unsobered.
That's how you do it.
No, I do anything.